Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get the old Roblox version back. So to do this, first you want to go to the roblox.com and sign in to your account. Once signed in, you want to click the gear icon and select settings. Look for the age verification section and verify your age if required. Now, Roblox may allow you to verify your age using the ID or facial age estimation, depending on the option available. Once your age is confirmed, Roblox will provide access to the features and experiences available for your age group. Now, to install Roblox, you want to select any game and select on the play bin. Now, if Roblox isn't installed, you should see an option to download Roblox. Download and install the Roblox application, then launch it and sign in. Please do remember that Roblox doesn't officially provide you a way to install the old version of the application. Access to the Roblox features and experiences depends on your account age verification and Roblox current application version.